Neuroplasticity. Have you heard about it? If you haven't heard about it, you want to learn about it. Neuroplasticity is about your brain's ability to rewire. Okay, so people say, well, this happened to me in the past, and so it's going to affect me for the rest of my life. No, you don't have to do that anymore. Okay, because your brain actually can do something different. And now people are learning that you can do that all on your own. You don't have to wait around for someone to tell you what to do or how to do it. It is there for you to learn online. Everyone can access it. Now, I have a website called DIY Mental Boost. I have step-by-step guidance that I do not charge. It is all free. Doesn't mean it's of no value. It's just free because I believe peace of mind and this ability, this life skill to do should have been something that was given to us like when we learned to read and write. So that is why I do not charge. I believe it is as basic as that and is the right of everyone in anywhere in the world to know to do. So that's why it is there. Access it and share it. So your brain can wrap around any situation. Now you're saying, no, it can't. Well, of course it can't because you haven't taught it yet. You have to teach it. You have to be shown, just like you were shown to read, just like you were shown to write, just like you were shown to do math. Your brain was able to learn all those things. Your brain can also learn this. Neuroplasticity helps you to rewire your subconscious programs that are either the ones you want, you're going to implant ones you want, or enhance the ones that are not helping you, okay? That are not helping you to say that I can do it. Because when you're getting overwhelmed, when you're getting confused, it's because your brain doesn't know what to do. There's nothing wrong with that. It just doesn't know what to do. It hasn't been shown. So now you can knowingly show it. Okay? We have unknowingly been showing it how to get stressed out, how to have anxiety, how to have moods. Okay? It knows how to do it very easily now. Is that marvelous? Your brain can do that easily. Now it can also now change that. And when you knowingly go in and teach it to say, I can do this. Oh, this is good. Failure doesn't mean that I'm dumb, stupid, I don't know how to do it, I'm a slow learner. Failure is just the first attempt in learning, that you have a process that goes with learning, and it's a growing process. Sometimes you make mistakes, sometimes you don't do the right thing. It is no big deal, but you just keep going straight, and then the next thing you know, you're at success. But what happens is we've been to say, oh, I failed, and then we stopped, and we never get to see the success. So every time we first try and we fail, we think failure is what happens. And that's what we're training the brain. So it is not motivated to say, oh, just keep going. It's no big deal. Because we trained ourselves to feel like we're not good. We've trained ourselves to be picky at everything that we're doing and to tear it apart, or it's not good enough. Okay. And that is because of the programs that we were installed in us. Now, most of them, like we said, remember, they're unknowingly from the times of 0 to 7. We had a lot of stuff put in, our reactions to things and how we were led to handle those reactions and situations. And it's only because our parents didn't know. If they know, I promise you they would have done different, but they didn't know, just like you didn't know, just like I didn't know. But once you know, then you can guide your brain to do what it needs to do to help you. Its job is to keep you safe and to get things done for you. But the programs you put in, they can either keep you in fear and keep holding you back, or you can put in programs that keep you going forward. That's what the brain can do. It does whatever it is that you put in it. Neuroplasticity, it is designed to do what you put in it. It is designed to do what you put in it, what you allow to stay in it. Okay, so once you decide, oh no, I don't want that program in there, I don't want that reaction to this situation, you can change it. Once you learn how to do it, it gets easier and easier and easier and easier. Just like when you first started to dress yourself, maybe you had some mismatched clothes. Maybe you had socks that were not the right one. Maybe you put things on backwards, but that's okay because you just kept practicing at it. And then the next thing you know, you could just get dressed like no big deal. Brain rewire is the same way. It becomes no big deal. It's like that's just a normal thing that you do. Your brain knows how to do. If you want that, you just have to take a little bit of time, maybe 30 minutes, I would say, a week, and just start to see how your brain just starts shifting and shifting and shifting and shifting. I designed the follow along video so you can just do it fast, get it done. Don't have to sit there and try to figure out. Just watch the video, 30 minutes done, go on with your life. Next week, watch 30-minute video, do what it says, then go on with your life. You don't have to spend a lot of time. It doesn't have to be It's not boring. It's not burdensome. It's just a matter of just throwing that in there. Boom, 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 boom. Easier than going to the gym 3 times a week. But actually, if you do the brain thing and you're having a resistance to going to the gym 3 times a week, you can rewire it. And the next thing you know, you're just going to the gym. It's just part of what you do. Get excited about neuroplasticity. I hope you get the same contagious excitement that I have when you learn this. It just becomes so much easier. And not only does it become so much easier, it becomes so much joyful. And not only becomes much more joyful, it becomes more productive. So you're always excited about new things instead of being scared of things. You're looking forward for opportunity instead of saying, what's behind that door? I don't know. It doesn't look like it's good. And having doubts in everyone and not having trust and resentments and all that stuff, which are lower vibes, which are needed in order to help us to recognize when we need to pay attention and take action. That's how we use lower vibes in a good way. The little alarm goes off, we take action. We don't, little alarm goes off and we ignore it, and then it goes louder, we ignore it, and the next thing we know, we're like, oh, emotions are horrible. Well, that's because you kept ignoring it. And it kept trying to get your attention. So understand your lower vibe emotions, when they come up, say, hey, what's up? What's going on? What is it? Pay attention to it. And then, as you know, with our channel, we teach you how to pay attention and how to take action. So it's just not a matter of pay attention, take action. You're like, okay. You want to do Make Peace with All Your Emotions playlist. That's going to help you to do that. Okay. So you want to pay attention, take action to all your emotions, and any of the emotions that are lingering outside of their purpose. Okay. It's kind of like when you're, I don't know, kind of like dessert. Dessert's good. You have it once in a while, but if all you're having is dessert, how does that end up impeding you in life? So it's the same thing when all you're running on is anxiety and stress and overwhelm and confusion. It gets really heavy. This is Renee Thomas with DIY Mental Boost. Okay. Click, sign up. It's free. It's not cheap. It just is free. It's priceless. The value is astronomical. And you're getting it for free. So are you going to take advantage of it?